Hey everyone, just wanted to give you an update on our chicken coop. We just put this one here together. This is the Homestead chicken coop. We got it at Tractor Supply. You can get that locally. It was on sale, so we decided to pick one up, and we replaced another one we had in bad shape. But just wanted to show you a couple things about it. Also, if you have not subscribed, I'd ask you to just subscribe to us and click that little notification bell as well. You'll get a notification as soon as we post a video. So let's show you some of the features of this here chicken coop. All right, the directions of this says it'll take about an hour to put together. That's at least what the box said, and you'll see that in the video here in just a second here. But it took me about 50 minutes, so it wasn't that long. I did have some stops in between just because things I had to do, but altogether time to work on this was 50 minutes. So, but I wanted to show you some of the features of it. One of the things that I like about it is it has this little door, but it's got a screen like that. The other one we had didn't have a screen, and so I really like that.
Is that hardware cloth?
It's not. Yeah, it might be a kind of a weaker hardware cloth. It's not as strong as a regular type of hardware cloth. So I like that. This has got a lot of doors, a lot of little cubbies on it, so I really like that. And got another door right here that opens the whole thing. And
hi, chickens.
You see the little chickens in there. But so you can access them that way. It's a big door too. It's not a small door. And also every door has two little latches like this.
Makes it raccoon proof. Predator
that
proof.
way, yeah, you don't accidentally leave one unlocked. If you left one unlocked, it'd still be pretty secure. This big door here, actually like a Dutch door. It's got two latches here, and this makes it easy to be able to get your little slider open and closed. So that has that, and the other one here. So kind of a big one if you had to kind of access it for something, clean it out or what have you. You'll close that up. But it went together pretty good. Let's move around this way. This side here, I really like this feature. This is if you want to let the chickens out. It's got this latch down here, the mechanism, and you can just open up and they can run out. And they got a little hook here. You can hook it and they can go out free. So I really like that. Let's close it up. And this side over here doesn't have much going on. I got some, you can see the smoke back here burning off our garden. But it's pretty straightforward on this side over here. But on this side, got a couple more features I wanted to show you. So once again, another little thing you can check on the chickens, little door, and also gives ventilation. And then another thing I like about this one too, it has these nesting boxes. Now the chickens that might be right there. Nope. So it's got 3 nesting boxes, and they've been in there a couple days. They've discovered it, but I like that those nesting boxes. They're nice and handy right there. So, like I said, it went together pretty good. The roof was very easy. It came in these 4 panels. This right here was 1 panel, and then 2, and the same thing on the other side. And they just went on with 4 screws, and it was just a breeze. So we've really been enjoying this. It's been a good upgrade. Also, of course, it has the tray here. I don't want to pull it out because there might be a chicken in there, but I don't want to hurt them, but hurt her. But that tray comes out pretty simple. So, but we're very happy with it. If you're able to get it on sale, we paid $1.99 for it, regularly $2.99. So we thought it was a very good deal. So a good upgrade, a little bigger than the last one. The last one we had up against our storage shed over there. And it served us well, but it was good, ready for an upgrade. So thank you very much for watching. Watch right now, and as you see how I put it together in fast motion, not my normal speed, but it took me 50 minutes, and it was, once again, pretty straightforward. So I think you'll be happy if you go ahead and get one. Also, we'll probably put a link in the description so you can click right to it, and you can find it real easy. So thank you so much for watching. Once again, if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit that little bell for the notifications. You can get a notification as soon as we send a video out. And we appreciate your subscribing and your watching. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Today we're going to put together this Homestead chicken coop from Tractor Supply. And I'm not sure, it looks pretty straightforward really, and the directions here say that it assembles in as little or less than 60 minutes. So we're going to get this put together today. Our chickens are getting a little crowded in here, and they're ready for a new place also. So let's get this thing here put together.